So using DeepSeek, what you can also do is you can go ahead and generate out a song as you like. So to do that over here in DeepSeek, what you can simply do is, let's say for example, tell write a song about a boy who loved using computers and give me its musical notes as well. So if I were to go ahead and hit the send right here, then what happens is that it'll take out that particular prompt and then it'll generate out a song for me. So you can see that I got the verse along with the musical notes, like right now here you can see C, Z, A minor and F. And there was a boy who loved to dream, and in the world of screen and streams, with keyboard as his guide, he found a place where he could hide. Oh, the boy who loved to code in the glow of his abode, with every line he'd come alive in the digital world he tried. He built a castle in crowd where he thought were strong and loud. And you can see that it wrote the entire song right here along with the musical notes as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then generate out a song inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.